Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to download Adobe After Effects on PC and laptop. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up a web browser and head on over to Google and type in Adobe After Effects and then hit enter. Then we want to click on the first link here, Adobe After Effects, motion graphics software from Adobe Creative Cloud, adobe.com. Now once you're here, you're going to be taken to this page and we can go ahead and download this as a free trial or buy now. So click on free trial if you just want to have a free trial for 7 days, I believe. Here we go here. I try the full version of Adobe apps with a 7-day free trial. How cool. And it does stay here as well. You have 14 days after your free trial ends to cancel and get a full refund. So from here, go ahead and click on which one you want to do and then click continue. And then we've got additional trials here if you want to try it as well. And then, so if I want to add one of them, I can go ahead and click add, click continue. And then it's going to say how to pay. So put in your credit card, debit card details, or even pay via PayPal and start your free trial.